Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello, it's Laura Angel with Mississippi State University Extension. I hope you guys are having a great day so far and a good kickoff to the week. I wanted to give you an update from the Extension office. We're still here for you and we're still open. If you need us, give us a call at 662-469-8480. In the description, you will find our latest Extension newsletter. And one thing that is in there that you might want to take notice of is our shooting sports meeting that is on Thursday at 6 p.m. And so parents or volunteers, if you want to get involved with the 4-H shooting sports program this year, make sure that you email Kelsey Martin if you want to attend so you can get that Zoom link for a shooting sports meeting that is this Thursday, November the 12th at 6 p.m. So make sure that you do that this week. A couple other things that you might want to take notice of is our Extension brown bags. They're still available in the hallway at the Extension office, or you also can go by the Olive Branch Library and pick up a November brown bag grab-and-go kit. Something that you might have received if you're a 4-H family, you should have received in the mail an invitation to our 4-H Get Festive drive-by holiday event. And so we're getting festive with 4-H projects this year, and we are inviting 4-H families to get festive and come to this event. It is a drive-by event and you need to RSVP. So make sure that you check your mailbox, open up the latest Extension mail, and you should have received an invitation for our Get Festive event. You also can check out our Facebook and Instagram page for that information of times and dates and all that. It is the Monday, the week of Thanksgiving, if you need to know the time and when it is. And then last but not least, something that in order to keep current and to see our post, make sure that occasionally, at least once a week, you like or comment or share one of our Facebook posts so that you can still see our post. And so if you do that, that keeps us visible in your news feed. We hope you have a great week and stay safe.